Rainer,
Ole,
thank you for inviting me over
thanks for coming over.
the beautiful booth.
Thank you.
And Jürgen,
Ole,
good to meet you again.
nice to see you.
Good. Listen, we are working here for the first time ever with the IJ280.
Correct.
And I've heard from you 3M guys, it's a brand new film. It is something spectacular, it's something super new. What is the new? It's a film. So many manufacturers here with film. It's PVC, it's glue. What is the new in the 3M IJ280?
Well, Ole, a lot of people ask me this, and they said, hey, 3M, you have print wrap films already in your portfolio.
That's
Why
what
do
I
you need
thought.
a new film? Yeah. And well, we always want to improve something. And as a manufacturer, we have two choices. We either take an existing product and we improve that, but then you work in a certain frame, or you start with an empty piece of paper, you start from scratch, and you really see what is in there, what you can do, what you can develop new. And this is the approach we took here with IJ280. We started from scratch about 5 years ago, and we tried to develop something really new. And this is what you see here at this exhibition. So what is new? Basically, everything is new. So you have the film coat that is new, we have a new adhesive, we have a new liner, and we have a new laminate. And all these things together, they provide certain benefits to the customer.
So actually, we can see you redevelop the wrap film. Say that, I'm an installer, I'm a hands-on guy. Did you ask some installers? Because I've seen back in the days, everything is in the lab. They are developing in the lab, but the installers are coming back to you and say, hey, it doesn't work. Did you ask installers this time?
Well, it was a great experience for me working in 3M for a long time, and this development project was different to the previous ones, because what we did in this project was really step by step on a regular basis. We went back to customers, we showed them our prototypes where we were, and we had the customers like Jürgen, comparing what we had with other existing products. So we watched the customers working with these prototypes, and we asked them, and they gave us feedback. And by this, we knew whether we were on track or whether we had to adjust the way we were going. And that was a constant feedback we got from customers over 4 years' time. And
So it's a long process.
it's a long process to develop something like this, and sometimes you need to take a detour, to get to where you want to be, and that's what we did.
Okay.
And as an example, the adhesive that is on here was actually chosen by our customers. We gave our customers 6 different kind of adhesives.
60.
Six
Wow.
different kind of adhesives. They compared them with each other, and there was a winner from all these 6, and we just simply put the winner onto this film. So it was chosen by our customers.
So like a group of customers get 6 different material or same material with different adhesive on.
Right.
And then they have to say, hey, this is my favorite, this is the second. And then you put the numbers together and find out this is the one we go with.
Yeah, and you got to do this on a global space because people have different preferences. Some like a low initial tag, some like a higher initial tag. So we did this on a global space to really have a good balance from all the perspectives or all the different customers. And this is what we ended up with.
Air channels. I know. I've just been reading the spec sheet of the IJ280. New air channel system. Explain it to me. What is it?
Well, air channel systems is important for the installer because in case they have a small bubble, they wanna remove the bubble, the air bubble, easily. And when you look at these kind of channels, they are pretty straight lines. They are a certain pattern.
Yeah.
Well, with this one, we changed this. And when you look at this pattern through a microscope, they all go into different directions. And why are we doing this is because when you watch somebody like Jürgen doing the application, they not always go straight like this. They go like this. They need to follow certain shapes. And that's why now all the air channels, they're all going different directions. And that supports the installer to do a defect-free installation.
So actually what happened is whatever direction you're going, the air can get out. Simply. Smart. Jürgen, I want to see it in action. Can you just explain, show us how easy it is to apply.
Yeah, of course, I will do.
So first of all, peeling the liner.
The control tech, we can remove the complete vinyl. We can install new in the right position if you want. And we fix it. The first direction is in this top area. And now the second is here in the bottom area. A little bit with the finger, why not? And then use the squeezy.
You know what, Jürgen? You look so relaxed when you do it. It looks like...
I'm relaxed because the vinyl is relaxed.
It looks like you feel so comfortable.
The next benefit about this vinyl is we need not so much heat. Yeah? We can stretch the vinyl only here, a little bit here, and then we fix it on the edge. You need only the heat maybe to 5. It's 300 degrees maybe inside.
So when you soften out the film, it's a low heat.
I need only 40, 50 degrees for stretch the material a little bit. Yeah.
That's a good benefit,
Yeah.
because I've seen so many film over the years being
I start
overheated.
here, make it a little bit warm here, go inside. Yeah, finished. Yeah. Make
How
it
easy
here.
is that? Even my son can do it.
1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, finished.
That is beautiful.
Next here, this part I show you. This part is a very dangerous part.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We all know that area.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that. That's the tricky one.
Little bit heat. Go inside in the complete area. Yeah? We have no glue lines, no adhesive lines, nothing. Yeah? Fix it. And then the next step, go here. A little bit heat. Inside here. Next step, maybe here, the area here.
You know what, when I see it, it feels like when you check your heat gun, it's just a little kiss with the heat gun, that's all. Just like close to nothing. The thickness of the film.
The thickness of the film, Ole, is 50 micron, and the laminate is 30 micron.
So a total of
overall,
80.
It's a pretty thin construction. And
One,
what you see here is one
two.
of the unique things of the film, that Jürgen is using very little heat to get it into the recess. And this is a property of this new film. And for our customers, there is a number of advantages if you use little heat to make it soft and to put it into this recess. First, you see that Jürgen is very fast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he needs to use little heat to make it conformable to get it into the recess. But also, this is a printed graphic, so there are inks on there. And when you stretch inks, they're not always like this. And
No.
in particular, when you make them very hot. So by using little heat, when you have a closer look, the inks don't break. The inks don't break too white. They stay on there. And they really like to be treated with little heat. Also, when you look at the lines, straight lines, they stay straight
It's beautiful.
because you virtually put it in at room
Yeah.
temperature.
Actually, it looks like you more work it in and then stretch it in.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. That is beautiful. You know, when I see the print itself, it looks like the laminate is way more gloss. It's way more transparent. Like, did you came up with a new idea for the adhesive on the laminate too? Because it looks super transparent.
Yeah, and that is one thing that we learned from our customers. They really like this. We call this a wet look. Yeah, to make it really gloss and shiny. for these kind of applications. So that was what we looked at. The other thing that we looked at was when Jürgen is doing the application and going with the squeegee over it, yeah, is that the squeegee glides very well and easy. And all this is leading to a fast installation, but also a safe installation. So also some people that are less experienced than Jürgen, they can do the job, yeah, and they can make it right. So it's about speed and easy and safe.
Yeah, I saw some numbers on the spec sheet that you could save up to 20%. How can you measure that? Hey.
Yeah, how do we get to the 20% faster? That was another exciting experiment that we did with customers. So what we did was we gave customers and installers like Jürgen, we gave them different products, and one of them was this one. And we had them doing an installation, always the same, and we just measured the time, how long it takes them. And then we looked at this on a global space, and we figured out that people, in average, they are 20% faster when they are using this product. So it's simply measured.
And you know, as I know 3M, they will never put out a number like this without testing it, be super safe. This is correct numbers.
I absolutely can tell you that there were a lot of legal people looking at this to make this claim, yeah, and this is bulletproof.
So it's all proved.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. So if you will highlight like 3 benefits on the new IG70 or Jürgen, whatever.
Faster.
No
adhesive lines.
Okay.
Very nice air release. Control tech.
3.
Bubble. Control tech is an old
That's
product.
4 now.
Yeah.
That actually means more than 3. Yeah. There's so many benefits on this beautiful film. I have to tell you guys, they have been working with it 2 days now as in competition, and it's the first time ever they have the film in their hand. Every single one of them are telling me, wow, now it's new. Now we can feel something new since the last, I don't know, 5-10 years. The reaction from the competitors, they've never tested it before, not had a chance because it's released for what, 2 weeks ago?
Something like 2-3 weeks ago, yeah, so we are still launching it.
It's still, as it's the official launch is right now, these days at the show, and they like it.
Ole, one thing, I will show you one thing what the film can do. Normally, door handle hole, we have to use a little bit heat and go inside. I will do it without heat, because the film is so comfortable. I go inside here.
And you simply just work it in with no heat. But will it stay?
Yeah, it stays. You have to fix it with 95 degrees for post heating, and it sticks.
That sounds.
There is no damage on the paint. Nothing.
So you say to me, the post heating is now 95.
95 till 110 degrees.
It's a little higher than
a little bit
back
higher.
in the days, correct? It's just to understand it, because you know, I've seen so many different film from different manufacturers. There are different ways to do it. So it's important to respect the film, what the manufacturers say. It have to post heat it to 95 to 110 degrees. Is that correct?
It's absolutely correct.
Yeah.
And what we do is we provide training seminars, webinars, and so on. So we want to make sure that our customers use this product in the best way so they get the most benefit out of it. Sure.
To make both 3M and the customers happy.
Sure.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. To have an easy installation, to have a nice result in the end, sending it out to our customers out there.
Yeah.
Listen, gentlemen, for me it's a privilege to work with 3M, to have you as a sponsor on the rap competition. I want to shake hands and say thank you so much for the demo, for all your support. Jürgen, the gent.
It was nice for me.
The real Bavarian. The only thing I need is
your Bavarian. We will be correct.
The Lederhosen.
Not Bavarian.
Okay. There you go. Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Yeah,
thank you for you. Thank you to 3M for having us walking from the rap competition to the booth over here to have a demo of the film the guys are working with there. It's excellent to work together with you guys. Thank you so much.